Video I will show you how to apply a blur filter, a grayscale filter, as well as adjust the hue of a video in Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So first I'm applying I think blur filter. I'm applying a blur filter. So here I have two buttons, one called pick video and other called save video. Now there is one issue which I will show you. So this issue is present for Flutter macOS. So the issue is that whenever you are trying to integrate a native view inside a Flutter macOS application, you are not able to do any kind of gesture or click on it. So as soon as I click on play pick video, it will open the video, like the file picker for me. I will select one video, then it will apply that blur effect to it, and once that is applied, we will start playing that video, but I won't be able to pause or stop it. So I will stop speaking for now, and I will quickly click on save video as well, so that the transformed video where the blur effect has been applied will save it to our downloads directory as well. So I will just click on pick video. I'll select this particular file. I only have this file. Now if your file is very big, it will take a little bit of time to do processing, so be patient. My file is small, so it should happen pretty quickly. So it is doing the transformation, applying the blur effect, and then it will show us the video picker, which is a native component. That's why we can't really do any kind of gestures. So I have immediately clicked on save video as well, and if I go to my downloads directory, here you can see this was saved as well. I'll quickly delete it. So that's how blur filter looks like. I will similarly do it for show it to you for grayscale as well. I'll just, if you want, you can like apply blur filter and grayscale simultaneously as well, but I just want to show it to you one by one. Also, there are multiple filters already available in iOS, like the CI filter. You just have to pass the appropriate name for it. So you can apply this filter for images as well. So that's the I think advantage, and same applies for iOS as well. I'll quickly click on pick video. Do this, click open. So as you can see, I was not able to like mute the audio or something, that's why I was not speaking. Now I will just apply the hue adjust as well, like it makes it greenish, like the entire video becomes a little bit greenish. So I'll quickly show you that output as well. Click on open anyway. Okay, I'll click on pick video, select this. As you saw, like it was working fine. So let's see how to do this in Flutter. So first I have created a Flutter project, and I have refactored my home page widget. It is a stateful widget. I have created a method channel called video picker platform. Then I have created one variable called video URL, which will be the URL for the transformed video. So I have two methods, pick video and save video. So we are basically calling this method which is present inside method channel. Method channel, so we'll have to use the same identifier on the native macOS side, which we have defined over here. Once I get the result, so the updated video URL, I'm just assigning it to this variable, and for saving the video, I'm just calling save video. And here you can see for first button I'm calling pick video, for second button I'm calling save video. And if the video URL is not equal to null, then I'm displaying a size box, and here I'm displaying our my macOS video view, and I'm passing our video URL. And if you see, I have this my macOS video view. So again, I'm using this identifier, same identifier you will have to use it on native macOS side as well. So this is a stateful widget which I have created. Then here I have created a creation params. I'm using this map of creation params to send this video URL back to native macOS side as well. Also I'm using this particular key so that our widget is updated every time you decide to pick a new video from our video picker or from the file explorer. And if you see this build method, I'm just checking if it is macOS, then display an app-kit view. I'm passing our key, view type and creation params. Also make sure you use the same identifier on the macOS side as well. So next you will have to open the XE workspace of your macOS folder inside Xcode. I have already opened it. Then go to runner, and here you will have to go to sign in and capabilities. Inside that, if you will, for user selected file, make sure it is read only. For downloads folder it is read/write. Similarly for user selected file, this is read only. So this is for release and this is for debug and profile. So make sure you add this. For downloads folder it is read and write. Same over here as well. Then inside our main Flutter window, all I have done is that I have imported avkit. Then I have just created enum for tracking one error. Then this is the final URL variable which will help us to save the video. I have created a method channel, and once pick video is called, we are basically calling this open video picker method, which I will show you. So if you see this open video picker, we are opening our panel and we are filtering by videos. Allow multiple selection is false. Once user selects a video, we get the URI. We send that URI to our transformed method, and that gives us the updated URL. So if you see the transformed method, we are basically creating a file manager, an AV URL asset as well as an AV mutable composition. Then we are creating a video composition track, an audio composition track, and asset video track, and as an asset audio track as well. Then we are getting the duration of the entire video. We are inserting that time range based on that particular video, both for video composition as well as audio composition. Then we are creating an export path as well as an export URL. If the file already exists, then we are removing that particular file. Then if you want to apply blur filter, you can just uncomment this particular code. For applying grayscale, you can uncomment this particular code, and this particular code is for applying hue adjust. Once you select whatever filter you want to apply, then you can just create an AV asset export session. We create an export URL. We assign the output file type as well. Show optimize for network use is true. Then we assign the filter composition to our video composition, and we export it. Once we have the output URL, we assign it to our final URL variable. Now coming back to this particular code, so this one, so we have the URL, we send it back to Flutter side. Now for saving the video, we just check if we have first we get access to our downloads directory. Then we check if our final URL is not equal to nil. Then we create our destination URL. If file already exists, does not exist, then we return. If file already exists, we remove it. Then we move that particular file to our destination URL, which is the downloads directory where the file is saved. And for registering our native view, so this is the boilerplate code which you have to write. Only thing you have to be careful is this identifier over here, and this my macOS view native view factory. So for this I have created one Swift file. As you can see over here, I have created this Swift file. I have imported avkit. Now this entire thing which you see up to here is boilerplate code which you have to write for any kind of native macOS view which you want to embed it inside Flutter application. Then here I have created our AV player view. Then we are getting the video URL from the Flutter side. Then we are converting it to a proper URL, and once we have that, we assign it to our AV player. Then we assign the player to our player view and start playing the video, and here we are just returning our player view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.